It doesn't matter really how much we have. Sa totoo lang, hindi naman natin madadala 'pag umalis tayo sa mundong ito. What really matters is what do we do with what we have? Puwedeng maliit yung hawak natin, and then what matters is what do we do with that little that we have? Puwedeng malaki yung hawak natin. What matters is what we do with that big thing that we have. Kasi kung sasabihin natin na malaki na ito, hindi na ako kinakailangan magtrabaho, ang tanong is anong ginawa mo do'n sa malaki? Kung malaki yung hawak natin, sa totoo lang, mas malaki yung responsibility natin kasi to whom much is given, much is required. What matters in life is actually hindi yung malaki o maliit. Puwedeng kung maliit, sasabihin natin sa sarili natin, "Ang malas ko naman, bakit ang liit lang nito?" Sa totoo lang, you're given responsibility on that little thing that you have. And the Bible says that if you are faithful in that little thing, God will give you bigger things. So, ang nagma-matter is really faithfulness doon sa maliit o malaki. And 'wag tayong mainggit do'n sa may malaking hawak because he's got more responsibility, sa totoo lang. Mas maigi pa yun nag-umpisa ka ng maliit tapos napalaki mo because you have proven the faithfulness of God. Because if you are faithful in small things, God will give you bigger things. Yan ang totoo.